Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome to my channel. I am excited to go over my January Boxycharm today. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription box where you can get makeup, skincare, tools. So there are different sized boxes. I get the smallest box, the base box. You get 5 full-sized items, whether they are makeup, skincare, tools. You get to customize one of your options. You have access to an amazing sale every month called the Drop Shop, where you can find amazing makeup, tools, skincare at a deeply discounted price. I enjoy it very much and I like to share it with you. This is not a sponsored video. I really enjoy Boxycharm. So if that sounds like fun, you want to see me unbox, try on, give some first impressions, then just keep watching. I did take a peek into the box to see if I had any makeup to apply so that I could leave that part off of my face and apply it with you. You get a card inside, and on this card there's usually a theme, and the theme is so fresh and so clean. On the back they list all the products that you get and their retail value. I'll have pictures, I will link them in the description box, and of course I will also list and link any makeup that is already on my face down below in the description box. Let's get the non-makeup items out of the way first, and then we can do an application and I'll give you the full retail value of the box and my final thoughts. The skincare that I see here is from Earth Harbor Naturals. This is the Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule. The answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin, both a patent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This ampoule is a featherlight flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. That sounds fantastic. So looking at the directions, it says to add a drop or two to your serum. Oh wow, isn't that beautiful? I love that packaging. I wonder if it has a scent. Retail value, $46. So it just looks clear. It looks like the bottle is what is colored. I don't smell anything, but this will definitely get used. This is the True and Luscious Angel Eyes Primer, a hydrating eye primer that locks in your eyeshadow and concealer for crease-proof, no smudge wear for up to 15 hours. A tinted formula that corrects redness and creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrancy of powder and cream eyeshadows infused with soothing Damascene rose extract as well as bentonite clay to naturally balance oil and form a protective barrier under makeup. Retail value $22. I am always down to try a new eyeshadow primer. This is what it looks like. Cute purple packaging. The consistency is, it feels pretty solid. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some. It's a nice nude shade. I like the texture. It's on the thinner side, but not so thin that you can't control it. Ooh, maybe I put too much on this eye. Hopefully not. Well, that looks really nice. I like that. The next thing is this from Shaina B Miami. This is their cream blush. This ultra velvety cream blush gives you a natural looking flush. Its long-lasting formula applies easily and blends quickly for a seamless finish. This is a new brand to Boxy and its retail value is $18. I love a cream blush. Cute packaging. This is what it looks like. There is a mirror, which is lovely. Go ahead and put it on my e.l.f. Putty Primer brush. No idea how pigmented it is, so I'm gonna go easy. It's pretty. I like that. Just want to feel the texture. It reminds me of the Milani cream blush. It's a little bit, it almost feels oily, but it does not look oily on the skin. Just very emollient. I think that looks great. The next thing is the Wander Beauty Sweet Escape palette. Send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play wherever you wander. This one is a $42 value. I don't think I've ever tried a shadow palette from Wander Beauty. I think I had a little palette in one of my Boxycharms, like a stacker kind of thing, and it was nice. Let's check it out. Got a nice mirror, and this is what the palette looks like. Very pretty. Looks stunning. I can't wait to get this on my eyes. And the last thing is this right here. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. This best-selling mascara is like a push-up bra for your lashes. It volumizes, lengthens, and curls lashes for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free and smudge-proof wear. Plus, the vitamin-rich formula conditions with each coat, all while creating darker, more defined lashes. Retail value $24. I tried this mascara earlier in the year when I got that 5-pack of lashes from Sephora where you got the coupon for the free big one, and I don't remember this one standing out to me as a favorite, but I am willing to try it. Sometimes I think there is a difference between the minis and the larges when it comes to mascara, so I'm gonna give it a shot. But first, I'm gonna get into this palette. I'm kind of in the mood for some purples. This shade right here looks amazing. It's called Sweet Dreams. Let me get my finger in there. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's got a pretty duochrome kind of shift to it. Holiday looks really pretty. This is like a pinky gold. You can tell I'm all about the shimmers, right? Look at that one. Here is Carry On, which is just a gorgeous taupe. Here is my Zoeva 227. I'm gonna go into Window Seat first, which is a nice mauve-y pink. Let's see how much pigment this has. Hopefully this eyeshadow primer wasn't a mistake. I see maybe a teensy bit of creasing. That looks beautiful. I'm just going to take a clean brush. I got this one from a Boxycharm. A nice big fluffy clean brush will make those edges smooth. Maybe I'll deepen a little bit with this Day Trip. This is a Profusion Small Pointed E56. Those shades are very similar. I'm going to take my little flat brush from Luna Magic and I'm going to go back into that Window Seat and put that on the bottom lash line. And then a little bit of that Day Trip on that outer corner. It's a little deeper. I can see that. Now for the fun part. I do want to go into that Sweet Dreams. That to me is just the shimmer that is screaming my name. Feels pretty smooth on my finger. Oh wow. Isn't that beautiful? I see pink, I see purple, maybe some silver. That is pretty. Gorgeous. Just for the sake of the video, I'm going to take this Frequent Flyer, which is this deeper purple, and just tap that in there and take that to the edge. Pretty. I love that. I went ahead and added some of my Essence Extreme Last Liner on the top outer edge, a little bit on that outer upper waterline, and then I took my white from BH Cosmetics and I put that in my inner corner, just a teeny little V, and on the inner half of my lower waterline. I didn't go all the way with the white because the black, I have not found a black liner that doesn't transfer down, so that is my attempt of not muddying the white on the bottom. I hope that makes sense. Let me go ahead and curl my lashes and then we'll get into this mascara. So here is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is what the wand looks like, and let's get into it. Feels like a dry formula. I've been liking to pull my lashes out this way, especially if I have that liner on the edge. It gives a little bit more of a cat eye look. All right, there is one coat. I see length, I do not see volume. Let me continue adding a few coats and I'll be right back. I am back. Take a look at the mascara. I poked this eye if it looks red. I think it looks nice. I did have to build up quite a few layers to get the length that I have. I did do my little push-up trick to get them to stand up a little higher. I think they look nice. This has potential. Back to the box. Let me go ahead and add up the products and see what the total value is, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Total retail value of the box is $152. The eyeshadow primer, I like it so far. I liked the color, I liked the coverage, I liked how the eyeshadow applied on top of it. So far, so good. I will continue testing it. The palette, this is for sure the star of the show for me. This is gorgeous. When I'm in the mood for some purples or some pinks, or even using purple and gold together, that's a really nice combination. I'm very pleased with this. I'm glad that I got to try a palette from Wander Beauty. The blush looks great. I love how it applied on the face. It didn't lift my foundation. It seems like a very neutrally type pink shade. It's not too popping. It's just giving me a nice, healthy, natural flush. Fantastic. The serum, for lack of a better word, I'm not sure what you call this. Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule. I really don't know what that is. If somebody else does, let me know. But adding this into my serum routine, yes, can't wait to try it. I love the packaging, looks beautiful. I have tried things from Earth Harbor before that I have liked. And the last thing is the mascara. I am pleasantly surprised. I had written this off in my little babies of mascaras. I will use this. I think that as it ages, it should get even better. This is a good one from Tarte. Overall, I am super pleased with my box. I think I got some fantastic things. I enjoyed everything that I played with, except for this one, and I have a feeling that I will. If you're interested, all information about Boxycharm will also be listed in the description box below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing before you leave. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Leave me a comment to let me know you were here. I love reading your comments. I love having a conversation in the comments section. Let me know, are you interested in Boxycharm? Do you get it? Did you get a different box than me? Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.